You ready?
Yep.
All right. Part 4, 904.
Part 4, 904.
Today's episode, we show you how to fix what was wrong with it. We don't know.
We didn't do anything.
It's self-healed. We're not going to lie to you. But we're going to get out and do a couple test hits with it, see how it functions. We'll take you along for a ride. Then we're going to do some, just get some video of the car driving around. And it's probably going to be a short one, so hope you like it.
Quarantine type stuff.
Yep. Hit it.
Oh, of course. Take two.
Par for the course.
It comes and goes.
Yep. All right. Let's go do the Pikes Peak Hill climb.
Let's do it.
That'd be something to do. All right. Well, we'll catch you then. It shifted.
Oh, it's shifted good.
Whoa. It really gives you the idea of the G-forces you're putting me through, Jeremy.
Uh-huh. Whee! And seats aren't for racing.
Nope.
Okay, same spot as last time. We'll foot brake it.
See if it's really self-healed itself.
About $2,000.
Jeez.
Oh yeah.
Thanks for fixing yourself, 904.
Oh, you're the best. Oh, me and my brother messed with the timing too when I went to Westgate the other day.
It feels spunkier.
It's
way
got
better.
better, yeah.
Doesn't feel like it's breaking up.
And then the passing gear kicked down. Yeah, it shifts good.
Sounds good, but you know it sounds a lot cooler when you kick down a 4-barrel.
What's that over there? What? Huh?
Thermo quad.
Thermal quad Geely. Uh-oh.
They're putting anhydrous out.
Tanks are Rona.
Old Farmer John has got his. Oh, that's Farmer Jerry right
That's
there.
Father Jerry.
318 van.
Isn't that thing low miles too?
It is a cream off. I mean, he's got he bought a brand new Ford F-150 in like 2015, and that thing's only got 300 miles on it. 'Cause
Really?
he got that van over there, low mileage, and he just drives that everywhere. So.
Do another launch for the farmer? He's on his
Probably.
tractor.
Yeah.
I'll do one.
ANF, dude. America needs farmers.
They do.
Do it for the farm!
Yeah, buddy. It's pulling good, dude.
Yeah, it is. I'd say my butt quarter 20-something years. Gonna fix it up probably.
He knows what he has. No low baller.
Yeah. I remember a buddy of mine got a Hearst edition. Remember that?
Oh God, that was forever ago.
Yeah. And they got an Oldsmobile motor. Everybody says the distributors are a bear to get out. No, that was the worst thing. I never was able to get it out. I left that day defeated.
That was it a W something edition with the?
Yeah, it had a 4-speed or something in it.
Well, it had the handling too. What's the Oldsmobile thing? W80 or?
I just know it was a Hearst edition.
Yeah, it was gold and white. And
yeah,
it was super cool.
Apparently it came from like Madison, Wisconsin, at an abandoned house, and the guy that was working there got it for like $200.
Wow.
And then no title or anything, but for $200, you kind of have to. And he ended up selling it for like $700, and that's what he started at. And I said, no, you start higher than that. No, I'd be happy with 7.
Huh.
So there's people out there that are like that just don't really want to make a ton of money. They're happy with getting what they want. So we made it to Pikes Peak.
International hill climb.
We're social distancing ourselves up here. There's the, how do you say that word? Durner? Durner. Hey, bud.
Hey, bud.
Gave him 3 fingers.
Give him the old.
That means you're friendly.
That means you're friendly.
Alright. Well, we're gonna mess around with the new toy that we got for the channel.
Mm-hmm.
So, catch you in a few. Well, as you can see, it shifts again.
Shifts good. Love it. We're trying to keep the content up. This whole situation we got going on nationwide is kind of strange, but we're still gonna. Yeah, 6 feet, brother. 6 feet.
Yeah, so
We're gonna keep pumping out content for sure.
for sure. And we're glad the dart self-healed itself, and we've been saying that we wanted to show you a Slant 6 burnout for a long time. Jeremy came up with the solution.
I mixed up a concoction the other night, so I like to keep it refrigerated. But I got 1 gallon of burnout lube.
Ooh. Well,
So-
we're gonna need it.
Let's see if it'll work, huh?
Yeah.
All right.
Please, 6. All 6 fire, please. Oh, there's another thing.
That was my idea. We're gonna take all possibility out.
So it's like a line lock.
Right, it's a dart lock.
4-wheel, no
It's a dart
resistance.
lock.
Hell
No,
yeah.
none, yeah.
The dart lock's not the cheapest mod.
No.
It's a lot of
Person
money.
job.
I'd recommend getting just a line lock. It's a hell of a lot cheaper.
Yeah, and you can do it by yourself.
All right, let's lube these things up and see what happens. Jeremy's patented burnout lube.
A little dab will do you.
Jesus.
That's regular lube.
What do you use, advanced? All right, we'll see if she'll do her. Stay hydrated.
That's the lube. Oh, I gotta start putting this stuff in my cupboard. We do have neighbors. Blake. Well, I gotta wash the dart again. That went better than expected.
Whoops.
It's chewed it up. That's as we burnouts on old asphalt.
I guess.
That was so worth it.
Wow. That was a lot of smoke.
Oh,
I guess the Slant 6 does it good.
Well, it'll do it.
Good
You
burnout.
just gotta get her going.
All right, well, with that note, we hope everybody stays safe, stay inside, and thanks for watching.
Wash your hands.
Please don't touch your face.